In this video you will find out how thanks Image Panda you can have bonus absolutely free. They are very high value bonuses and together with Image Panda you will have a lot of graphic material that you hardly need anything else. I have also added another non-graphic bonus that can help you achieve economic results. Watch this video to the end or click the link below to find out how to get these absolutely free bonuses. Let's see this video! Bonus number 1. Copyright free premium photos. 1000 royalty free high definition stock photos. Full developer rights add value to your product. Create banner ads using social media. Add them to your website, use on client sites, use in presentation, and so much more. Another bonus. Buying traffic to generate massive website visitors. Learn the best ways to get massive amounts of website visitors from purchased traffic. Another bonus graphic. Killer text effect. Turn 2D text in cinematic 3D text with just a great for logos, videos, e-covers, headings, etc. Another bonus. 2 GB plus. 100 HD motion backgrounds. Another bonus. 50 HD video backgrounds. Another bonus. Smart video sales letters. Another bonus. 18 template business card bundle. Another bonus, your content marketing guide. Make more money with less effort using these killer content marketing tips. Welcome to everyone. Let's talk about what is Image Panda? New cloud-based software helps your customers easily create and sell gorgeous designs, logos, banners and high-end creatives perfect for any design need in 60 seconds. Let's see some advantages. You can create stunning graphic without a designer. You don't need a designer. It is cloud-based software. Cloud-based software makes it easier than ever for anyone to create stunning graphic in seconds. There are tons of images. You can have access to over 2.5 million high-quality images. On the website we also read, with Image Panda your customers don't just only get to create. With Image Panda, your customers don't just only get to create logos, Facebook covers, business cards, Facebook posts, Twitter posts, Pinterest posts, LinkedIn posts, YouTube channel arts, Twitter headers, full banners, Kindle and ebook covers. This kit also comes with stunning ready-made design agency website highly optimized called email sequence, print-ready commercial graphics template for design service, business card, letterhead, invoices, trifold brochure. 8,000 plus HD videos worth $15 each. 60,000 plus HD image worth $1 each, estimate worth $60,000. 25,000 plus vector graphics bundle worth $1 each, estimate worth $120,000. 750 plus Ultra HD 4K videos worth $25 each, estimate worth $18,750. 8,000 plus HD videos worth $15 each, estimate worth $120,000. But now let's see how it works briefly. On the left we can see a very simple and intuitive menu. On the right we can add folders. Below are untitled drawings. Now let's quickly create a drawing. It's really easy to do. Click on create design. And here we can really do many things: social media post, blogging, display ads, then headers, marketing materials, even t-shirts. For example, let's choose Facebook post. We have the measurement in pixel. We choose Black Friday. On the left we have a series of tools that allow us to make many changes. Here you can see that the image is opened. On the left we have a series of tools that allow make changes. Background with image patterns, and uploads. Then filters. We can change the colors, text and quote, icons and image. For example, I choose this. Okay. I can choose also image. An image. Dog. For example, cat. Or I can choose uploads. Then shapes. And the tool. I can save as new and load in JPG, PNG, PDF. The benefits. Here is a summary of the strong points. Create and edit graphics, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Google+, posts, ads and headers, YouTube channel art, and a lot more within seconds. Designing a tool built for marketers, bloggers, and website owners who have no designing and technical skills for operating complicated tools like Photoshop, Canva, etc. Advanced features like layering allow to you create jaw-dropping graphic designs, making your website and social media ads and post an instant hit. Built-in library includes thousands of professionally designed pre-installed themes, images, and templates. Make thousands of dollars in pure profits by selling these graphic designs.